Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Interstate Explorers. We just got back from a 15-day road trip in where we went up to Olympic National Park in Washington and then over to Montana for Glacier National Park. And then as you can imagine, on a trip like that, our Brinkley got pretty dirty. Now, we normally like to get it washed before we put it back in the garage, and we like to actually normally stop at the Blue Beacon truck washes, but there wasn't one on our way home this time. So we thought, what are we gonna do? Now, we actually just bought a power washer, so we figured why not try out the power washer and wash the Brinkley ourselves. So as you can see, it was actually pretty easy to do. So if you've ever used a power washer before, they're actually pretty satisfying. So it's fun to do, but it definitely didn't do as good of a job as if we paid somebody to wash Brinkley, of course, which can be expensive, or going, like I said, to a truck wash. Like, we love Blue Beacon, but that wasn't an option this time. So our only option was doing it ourselves. And it wasn't bad. Like, overall, the power washer, it did a pretty good job of washing Brinkley. The only downside was on the front cap of the Brinkley, there's still some bugs, spots, and splatters there. But next time what I would do is I would buy something to set on it ahead of time, like a spray to kind of get those bugs off a little easier with the power washer. But overall, I mean, we're pretty happy with it. The power washer did a pretty good job, and we would do this again in the future when we can't stop somewhere else to get the Brinkley washed or to pay someone else to do it. But power washer is definitely the way to go. It's a quick and easy way to just kind of give a spray down, give it a quick wash before you store your Brinkley. So if you guys wash your RV yourself, please let me know, what you guys are using, any techniques you have that, get those bugs off, or any other tips and tricks you have. Please let us know in the comments, and like and follow for more tips and travel advice.